Tanzania and Burundi are planning to build an electric standard gauge railway.
The new rail line stretching over 300 kilometers at its first.
The Tanzanian and Burundian governments have floated a tender to construct around.
Railway will connect to other countries like Burundi and Rwanda.
We have been praising ourselves that.
Where do road transport costs come from? From the railway.
Have you ever seen a railway rise from nothing to massive bridges and embankments that stretch for miles? Tanzania's SGR Mwanza Line is moving faster than anyone thought possible, reshaping the country's transport forever. Today, we're diving into the shocking progress of this northern Tanzania mega project. Chapter 1: Introduction to the SGR and Mwanza Line. The Standard Gauge Railway, or SGR, is Tanzania's bold step to modernize its rail network. Unlike the old meter gauge lines, this railway promises faster trains, heavier cargo capacity, and smoother travel for passengers. The spotlight now shines on the Isaka to Mwanza section, also called Lot 5, linking the North's industrial and agricultural zones to central and coastal regions. Mwanza, on Lake Victoria's shores, is a major hub for trade, farming, and industry. Connecting it to Dar es Salaam through Dodoma and Isaka will dramatically cut travel and transport times. For farmers, traders, and businesses, this railway is a game changer. Modern tracks, bridges, and stations are transforming logistics, while the project's scale and speed are already shocking observers. This expansion isn't just about transport, it's a glimpse into Tanzania's infrastructure future and East Africa's growing connectivity. Chapter 2: Early Planning and Construction Start. Construction of the Isaka to Mwanza SGR began after meticulous planning. Chinese contractors, including CCECC and CRCC, brought advanced technology, expertise, and massive manpower. Early challenges were significant. Land acquisition required careful coordination with communities, while rugged terrain demanded massive earthworks. Transporting materials hundreds of kilometers added complexity. However, construction proceeded steadily. Embankments started forming, while cranes and heavy machinery moved into place. Meanwhile, the coordination of workers ensured precision from the first day. Every bridge, culvert, and kilometer of track reflects careful preparation. Could such planning succeed without advanced technology? The early phases set the pace and quality of the entire project. So far, the combination of strategy, manpower, and modern equipment has turned vision into reality. Even at this stage, the northern landscape is changing. The groundwork laid then is now bearing fruit, showing that careful planning can overcome formidable challenges. Chapter 3: Current Construction Progress. As of early 2026, the Isaka to Mwanza SGR is about 63% complete, with progress continuing at a remarkable pace. The embankments are nearly complete at 89%, creating solid foundations for the tracks. Bridges and culverts, which allow the railway to cross rivers and valleys, are about 70% finished. Massive earthworks are underway, moving thousands of cubic meters of soil every day to level the terrain. Track-laying machines have started installing rails along the completed embankments, and stations along the route are slowly taking shape. Miles of track are being laid in long, precise stretches, while workers coordinate to ensure alignment and safety standards are maintained. Drone footage from the sites shows the sheer scale. Hundreds of workers, dozens of cranes, and miles of cleared land. The combination of manpower, machinery, and modern construction techniques is making the progress look almost unstoppable. For Tanzania, seeing this much work completed in such a short period is shocking and exciting. Chapter 4: Technical Achievements. The Mwanza Line is not just about speed, it's about technical mastery. Bridges stretching over rivers and valleys are being built with precision, some measuring hundreds of meters long. Culverts allow proper water drainage to prevent flooding, while embankments are reinforced with modern materials to withstand heavy freight loads. Track laying involves advanced machinery that ensures alignment and durability, far beyond traditional methods. Tanzania is adopting modern rail technology for the first time, including signaling systems, electric poles, and high-capacity tracks. Capable of handling both passengers and cargo efficiently, the scale and speed of these achievements are truly shocking. For comparison, earlier meter gauge lines required years to cover far smaller distances, while the SGR is moving steadily over hundreds of kilometers. The engineering feats on display demonstrate what happens when careful planning, skilled contractors, and modern technology are combined. From the tallest bridges to the longest embankments, the Mwanza Line is a visual testament to Tanzania's commitment to transforming its infrastructure. Chapter 5. Challenges and Delays. Even with the rapid progress, the SGR project hasn't been without challenges. Heavy rains in northern Tanzania often delay work, as muddy terrain slows machinery and makes earthworks risky. Transporting construction materials over hundreds of kilometers through remote areas also remains difficult. The terrain itself, with hills, rivers, and uneven soil, has required careful planning to avoid structural problems. To overcome these hurdles, project managers have mobilized large workforces, deployed specialized equipment, and coordinated logistics meticulously. Teams work around the clock in shifts, while engineers monitor construction quality to prevent errors that could cause costly delays. Even with these obstacles, the SGR continues moving forward at impressive speed. Workers' dedication and modern construction techniques ensure that setbacks don't stop progress. The fact that nearly 2/3 of the line is already completed, even with these challenges, is a testament to both planning and perseverance. For Tanzania, this means the country is closer than ever to seeing the SGR's transformative effects. Chapter 6. Freight and Economic Implications. Once completed, the Mwanza Line will transform freight transport in northern Tanzania. Road transport is currently slow and costly, often taking days for cargo to reach Dar es Salaam. The SGR will reduce travel times dramatically, moving agricultural produce, manufactured goods, and imports efficiently. Farmers around Lake Victoria will reach markets faster, reducing spoilage and increasing profits, while businesses benefit from lower transport costs and larger cargo capacity. Regional trade will improve as goods move smoothly to neighboring countries. Estimates suggest thousands of tons of cargo could travel daily. A quick thought: would the greatest benefit be seen by small farmers, large companies, or both? Beyond logistics, the railway will create jobs, attract investments, and connect remote regions to cities and ports. This line represents more than transport. It is an economic lifeline poised to elevate northern Tanzania into a new era of trade and opportunity. Chapter 7. Regional Connectivity and Future Plans. The Mwanza Line is designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing SGR network. Starting in Dar es Salaam, it passes through Dodoma, Isaka, and onward to Mwanza, linking central and northern Tanzania efficiently. But the vision doesn't stop there. Plans include extending connections to Burundi and potentially Rwanda, creating a northern Tanzanian transport hub that can serve the entire East African region. By connecting landlocked countries to the port of Dar es Salaam, the SGR could become a central artery for international trade. The line also lays the groundwork for high-speed passenger services, improving mobility for residents and reducing travel times across the country. Long-term, Tanzania envisions a modern rail network, capable of supporting freight, passengers, and economic growth simultaneously. The strategic planning behind this project demonstrates foresight, combining immediate benefits with future expansion potential. With the northern SGR in place, Tanzania is positioning itself as a logistics powerhouse in East Africa, and the Mwanza Line is a crucial piece of that puzzle. Chapter 8. Visualizing the progress. Drone footage reveals the massive scale of the Mwanza SGR's embankments stretch for miles, bridges span rivers, and stations rise like futuristic hubs. Heavy machinery moves earth, cranes lift materials, and workers coordinate across long, cleared stretches. So just how impressive is this construction? Maps show the railway cutting through forests, farmland, and hills, forming a continuous modern corridor. However, the largest bridges still under construction highlight the engineering skill involved, while unfinished stations hint at future operations. Each section reflects precision and speed, showing progress every day. Meanwhile, the Isaka-Mwanza line is reshaping northern Tanzania's landscape, promising faster transport, better trade, and economic growth. The railway is transforming infrastructure and connectivity, bringing a modern network that could redefine the economy and opportunities for communities across the region. That's the shocking progress of Tanzania's Mwanza SGR line. How do you think this railway will change northern Tanzania? Comment below. If you enjoy this video and want more mega project insights, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.